Opposition leader Advocate Nelson Chamisa has issued a bold prediction, declaring that President Emmerson Mnangagwa's grip on power is nearing its end, citing the deepening national crisis in what he termed the regime's growing vulnerability. Savenda mashoko obuda panguva ino zvinzi aiwa Emmerson Mnangagwa is falling soon. Mashoko anotaurwa naAdvocate Nelson Chamisa, do subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipita munamumura yovamchinzi. In a defiant statement released on Tuesday, Chamisa cast Mnangagwa's leadership as doomed, likening his rude historical dictatorships that eventually collapsed despite appearing strong and immovable. All dictatorships the world over and since time immemorial always appear so invincible and unconquerable just before their inevitable demise. Chamisa said, when they appear indomitable, that's when they are so weak and vulnerable, before ultimately crumbling and collapsing into perpetual oblivion. Chamisa's remarks come amid mounting economic instability, allegations of human rights violations, and discontent among ordinary Zimbabweans over corruption, unemployment, and political repression. Although Mnangagwa's administration continues to project confidence in public, Chamisa's statement suggested that the opposition senses an imminent shift in Zimbabwe's political landscape. With the country's political atmosphere growing more polarized, Chamisa's statement throws down the gauntlet and intensifies the opposition's challenge to the ZANU-PF's regime, which has ruled Zimbabwe for more than 4 decades. Domashwa mudai tokopara panari kunozo Chamisa chiti aiwa madictatorships atakaona aiwa before apa kuda kuwa airatidza kunge anenge ane mapowers sezvaari kunge achitsanangura chido zvakaita ZANU-PF panguva inoyi achiti aiwa ZANU-PF it is nearing to an end. Mudai kumai section medu mutidze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musakaona subscribe or like pamwe chete on the bell icon.